Hey guys, in this video we are going to look at some of the possible reasons why you are not receiving the emails on your Gmail account. So if you are facing this problem that you have asked your friend or colleague to send you email multiple times but you are not receiving that emails, what could be the issue? So first of all, you need to check that if they are sending you some kind of an attachment, Gmail prevents you from sending you that in inbox. So what you can do is you can check your spam folder right here. So how to access that? On the left hand side, you can just click on this spam folder right here and you can see whether you have received one email here or not. So sometimes the emails appear here in the spam folder and it is not appearing in the inbox. So that might be the issue that you can check. Now what you can also do is one of the other reasons that your Gmail account storage is full. So you can check that by clicking on these three dots in the Google Apps. Just click on the drive icon right here. And on the left hand side, you can see this storage is showing. It says 84% is full. That means I still have the capacity, but if it is showing 100%, what you can do is just free up some of the space. And how we can free up the space? It's very simple. Just delete some of the unnecessary files by either going to the home tab. Just select those files that you don't need and you can move it to the trash. So delete couple of more to free up some space. You can use My Drive as well for this option. You can just hold the control key and select multiple files and then you can delete those files. What you can also do is just go to the inbox and delete some unnecessary emails. You might have a lot of emails if you're using your email account for a very long time. That might be the issue as well. So just check out for that. Now, what you can also do, guys, is making some advanced changes in the Gmail settings. So click on this Gmail settings right here in the gear icon. Just click here and click on See All Settings. This should take you to all the settings here, but we are just concerned with this one, which says filters and block addresses. So here just check for the filter whether that particular sender or that particular some type of file or incoming emails are set to the filtered or block addresses. If yes, then this might be the issue why you are not receiving the emails. So if you have some filters applied here, what you can do is just select those and delete it right here. Now what you can also do after that is just go to the forwarding and POP tab right here and just make sure that you are not sending any emails to the mail forwarding, and just make sure that you haven't put your email account to the mail forwarding. If you have added a forwarding address just like that, so that might be the issue why you're not receiving your emails on your main inbox, rather it is forwarded to another Gmail ID. So if that's the case, you can remove this address from here and click OK. Now what you can also do is just scroll down a little bit where you see this IMAP access and make sure to enable this. It will open up other options as well, but we will not change the other options. So we will click on Save Changes. And that's pretty much how you do it. So one of the options might work for you. Just comment down below what works for you so that it might help all the community out here. So if it helps you, just subscribe to our channel and comment down below. Also, you can check out our complete playlist for Gmail tips and techniques where you can learn some fun stuff. So take care and I'll see you in the next one.